Hello, I am Dark Dreamy Meowser, and today, I am going to break Denise the Love Live School Idol Fanatic 2020's nose. Ha 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 ha.
Ouch, 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 ouch. My nose, it's broken. Somebody, help me.
Oh my gosh, Denise the Love Live School Idol Fanatic 2020. Are you okay?
No, I am not okay. Dark Dreamy Meowser broke my nose.
What? Dark Dreamy Meowser, how dare you break my girlfriend Denise the Love Live School Idol Fanatic 2020's nose. Now she has a fractured nose because of you. That's it. Go home right now while I call your parents about this.
No 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 no.
Later, after the call.
Dark Dreamy Meowser, we cannot believe broke Denise the Love Live School Idol Fanatic 2020's nose. Now she has a fractured nose because of you?
That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded for 367 decades. Go to your room, right now.
Wow.